Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are going to be harvesting our pumpkin, which has grown in this much size of a pot, like a plant pot or something, a bag. And my mom had pollinated this pumpkin a few weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks, 3-4 weeks. So yes guys, this is the pumpkin, as all of you can see, which we are going to be harvesting now. And let's just look quickly, look at the size of the planter. As you can see, it's not very much, it's really small, the planter. Let me try to show you. There are a lot of plants here, but as you can see, the plant is only this much, so the pumpkin is a little small. But I don't know, it's the best size for the planter that has come right now. And now we're going to be harvesting it. Let's take a look at the pumpkin. It's the Indian pumpkin, and since we're going to be making a vegetable out of it, we're not allowing it to ripe completely. So let's start. Alright. So now this is a pumpkin, and I'm going to start cutting it from the vine. You can see it cuts really well, but it needs a little bit of force. There you go. Here's the pumpkin. Awesome. Look. Have a look at this. Right? Looks awesome, Rudansh?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So now let's go see the vegetable there. Let's head home now.